Hello guys, today let us see if-else statement in Python. Let me go through each descriptions and then we can go with a simple example where we'll be getting all the statements in one shot. So what is this? So this statement, if-else statement, this statement produces true or false as a result. So if this condition applies, it's true, else it is false. This is the real logic behind if-else statement. Now, we can perform many actions on these statements. If, say for if-else, if this statement is true, we can take many actions on that. It's not like it should return true, it's like we can print any statements or we can do any actions, right? Else, it should exit or we can perform any other actions. Then if elif. Elif means if the first condition, if the first condition is not success, then try the next one. That is what elif means. Then if elif else. If the first condition is not success, then go with the next one, which is elif. And if it is also not success, then else. Else means else will catch anything which is not being catched by any of the previous statements. And then nested if. What it is, we can have multiple ifs. If under if, like we can have multiple ifs. So let me take a simple example. We'll go with a equal to 10. B equal to 20, So now if we'll put a condition, A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. Elif. If the above condition doesn't satisfy, then try elif condition. A equal to B, print A is equal to B. Then if the above two condition doesn't satisfy, if the above two conditions are false, then else print B is greater than A. So let me run the program and check. So if you see here, B is greater than A, so you can find here B is greater than A. So let me run the program. So if you see here, B is greater than A. Now let me change 21. I can see here A is greater than B. Then I will put B as 21 and run the code. A is equal to B. Hope you have understood if, elif, else condition. Now we'll try nested if, which means like we have a condition with if and then we have another if condition instead of first if. So let us try that. So let me put a question here, like understand the question, like if A is greater than B, then check whether C is greater than B or not, else exit. So I have a program where it says if A is greater than B, means if A is greater than B, then check whether C is greater than B or not, else exit the program. So now I will have a comment as if A is greater than B, then print A is greater than B, and then I have to put another if condition under this. If C is greater than B, C is greater than B, then print C is greater than B. I will have if else condition here, else print C is smaller than B. And now we have another exit condition, like if A is less than B, then else exit. So else I will exit the program. This is how we can exit the program. Now let me satisfy A is greater than B. So I will be giving here as 19. So we can see clearly A is greater than B. So it runs A is greater than B, yes, and then it checks for C, whether C is greater than B or not. So it says C is smaller than B. Now I will put this as 15. Let me check whether the system exits or not. Yeah, without running the system exited because I have else condition for exit. Next, I will try a short form actually for if else condition. Let me try print A is greater than B if A greater than B, else print A is A less than B. Okay, let us run the program. It says A is less than B, that's correct. So this is how we can execute if else condition in short form. Hope you have understood the if else concept. If not, you can write it down in comments. And if you have liked my video, please press the like button. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.